So for many of you, you've already received your SSL2. One of the main connections we talk about with the SSL2 with a lot of newer devices right now is that this is an interface and it's specifically plugged in and connected via USB. Now this is USB-C, so you'll notice the USB is very different, and to connect it to your computer, you can actually directly connect this USB-C to the USB-C on your MacBook Pro. But if you need to actually get to other types of computers that have the older versions of USB, you'll have to get a USB-C to USB 2 or USB 3 in order to be able to make those connections. But that brings us to the interface. So the interface is specifically communicating digital information. So the interface is actually the main component that's in charge of conversion on the way to and from the computer. So it's sending that information down to the computer on the USB line, and that USB line for USB-C communicates simultaneously both back and forth at the same time, which is fantastic because it improves speed. But it also is communicating using binary. Now, on the interface itself, we talked a little bit about this, and we're going to continue to talk about this, but we have the preamp on board, which is our gain control. It gives us power to our mic if we need phantom power, and it switches between line and high Z, depending on what we need on our inputs. You'll also notice on the back, we have these combo jacks, which are a combination of both XLR for microphone, and down the middle, it can utilize both instrument and line cables, which means 1/4 inch TS and 1/4 inch TRS. On the output, we have 1/4 inch TRS lines going to our speakers, and then we have our headphone jack, which is there. Pretty cool, nice and easy. I love like just giant volume knob. This is a fantastic device. Hopefully it serves you well, but your interface again is connecting in your studio via USB-C.